Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my fall FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. I literally just got it. Definitely was delayed due to COVID, weather, everything happening in 2020, but it is here and I'm excited to share with you guys kind of my thoughts on these products. Is it worth the money? Things like that. So the first thing though I want to talk to you guys about are the add-ons that you can do. So when you are a member of FabFitFun, you can pick the customizations, things like that, but you can add on others for about $10–15 per product. How amazing is that? Let me share with you guys how amazing that is. So I picked this up. This is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior, a hydration gel. It plumps and rehydrates. I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's a lightweight gel moisturizer, great for all skin types, and I just love Kate Somerville as well. So how amazing is it that I can get it for such a discount add-on? Let's see if it has it in there. No, it doesn't. Compared to like going to Sephora and other things, buying this full price, like that's super amazing. So this is the product right here. I am so excited you can use it. AM and PM, I have never tried this, but I'm super excited to try it. I thought this would be a great deal and way for me to try different products here on my channel, and this is just super cute. It is a glass bottle, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it was an add-on. Really excited for that. So stay tuned for a review on that on my channel very soon. Also picked this up as an add-on or during their sale. They have like sales and add-ons. It's kind of confusing. I don't honestly understand, but we're going with it. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil. And it says it instantly absorbs with advanced vitamin C, recharge your radiance with this glow-giving vitamin C oil. Basically, it makes your skin look a lot better, and vitamin C is just so good for your skin. I've used it a lot in the past, so I wanted to try this one. Sunday Riley is a really nice brand, and this is what the bottle looks like. So I'm really, really excited to have this and try it out for you guys on my channel. Like, how cute. That's just, the presentation is so gorgeous, makes me so excited. So I did pick that up, and then I picked up a gift for somebody in my family that probably is watching this. So let's get into what is actually in the box. I believe this box, how much do I pay for it? I'll put kind of how much I paid for it on the screen right here, and then we'll talk about, is it worth it, what products and stuff in the end. And everything kind of is thrown about. It's definitely not the setup I've seen before, but they've had definitely a lot nicer setup than whatever this is. This is just a hot mess express, so I'm interested in see what happened with that. So in each box you get a FabFitFun little thing to tell you kind of what everything is. So it says the total value of the box is between $214 and $544. So the first thing you could have picked out is the Botner New York Bond Tote, the Trigger Backpack, the black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel. You could have gotten the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner and the Extreme Lash Mascara, the copper canisters, styling cream, and then you could have gotten the cotton basket. I think they picked out the tote for me, the Fat Tier tote. Or I picked it out. I can't even remember. So this is what the tote looks like. It looks like a pretty decent size. I definitely am getting more towards wanting to have a big bag versus like a full diaper bag now with my 2-year-old toddler. So I thought this would be a nice like tote to just throw his stuff in and get out and go. So really excited to have that, and it looks pretty sleek and nice. Then for your second choice, you can do the Beyond Yoga Infinity Scarf, and I didn't want an infinity scarf and I didn't get it, so I'm excited about that. Could have gotten the Glossmetics hair removal device. You could have also gotten the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, the Woven Scarf with Fringe, the Volition Beauty Celery Green Cream, and then the Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. And I picked the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta or Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. If you have issues with pores enlarged and clogged with excessive oil. This is perfect because it will give you smaller looking pores, perfect flawless complexion. That is what that looks like, and it looks like you get 1 fluid ounce of it. So there is that bottle right there, and I do plan on doing, like I said, reviews on these skincare items on my channel to let you guys know how they go for me. Then the next customization you could have done is a Jenny Bird Austin cuff. You could have gotten a necklace. You could have gotten the multivitamin mask set, the Nectar sunglasses, light blocking glasses, or you could have gotten the Beauty Bakery palette, and I believe I got the Jenny Bird cuff. Yep, so I did pick out the cuff. And I do not have anything like this, so I was excited to have something like this. Let's see, and put it on for you guys. I will say it is pretty heavy. So this is kind of what that cuff looks like. Super pretty with all the mixed golds on them. I'll just keep it on while we are going. Then the next thing, you could have picked out a water bottle, a glass water bottle. I didn't need it. The Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, I really like it, but I wasn't going to get that in this spot. The Skin Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, a Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, the Frank Body Official Coffee Scrub. So I got the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. It says pumpkin infuses the skin with AHA, zinc, and vitamin A and C, and walnut powder gently exfoliates to reveal a fresh glow. Retails for $28, and it is made in California, so I'm excited to try that. I definitely got a lot of skincare this time. I feel like last time I got a lot more home, which was interesting. I kind of prefer getting home though from this box than beauty, but I think the skincare kind of drew me in this time. So then the next thing is the cutlery set, the cuticle oil, stress reliever hair oil, the clips, hair clips, or the sugar cubes. I've previously already tried the sugar cubes. I don't wear hair clips, so I picked out the cuticle oil, and I really don't spend that much time on my nails, but I didn't think I was going to use the actual hair oil, so I did pick this guy out, and my cuticles probably really do need something like this, so that was good to have for that choice. I just didn't see anything really that drew me in. Then you could have gotten the Pedicure in a Box Duo, the Pumpkin Spice set, the Laundress Crease Release. I think these are ones they picked out for you, or the Box Flower in Sweet Cedarwood, and they picked out the Crease Release for me. It removes wrinkles. I have something like this that I purchased from the Grove, and I really haven't used it, so I'll be interested to try this out, but really I don't know if I would really use something like this. Me, I kind of, after things are in the dryer, I will use my hand steamer for that, but it will be interesting to try. I'll try it out, or maybe pass that on. So the last two items in the box, because these are just stuff they picked out, was the Tranquil Sleeping Mist, and this is definitely something I'm probably going to pass along. This has lavender oil. I am not a fan of lavender oil, so I am going to pass this along to somebody who will get better use out of that than me. I just don't like lavender oil. And then you get the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. This is nourished with coconut and argan oil. Let's see what this guy looks like. Oh, that's pretty. So this is what that highlighter looks like. Definitely impressed. You normally only need just a little dab. I'll do a little bit more for you guys. I've never heard of that brand before, so it'll be interesting to try it out. But that is that highlighter. It's really pretty, actually. Not too sparkly or shimmery, but really pretty. So overall, this box is not my favorite. I'm excited about some of the skincare add-ons that I did and some of the skincare stuff, but I don't know. It's definitely not my favorite. I probably wouldn't have picked out these items, which is the point of a box like this, but I don't think, I mean, I did pick out the items comparatively. There just wasn't anything that I was super really interested in this time. So there's that. But that is kind of my thoughts on this. Let me see, going through what stuff I'm really excited for. I definitely am excited, like I said, for the Dr. Dennis Gross things and the scrub. And then the other stuff I think were just add-ons. Hopefully my husband doesn't see this because it's pricey box and I wasn't too thrilled about it. But I'm excited to try some new skincare stuff. But I don't know, there wasn't anything that I'm like super pumped about and excited for. So there's that. Hope you guys found entertainment in this. It definitely was interesting to open it. I don't know, I'm just in like, I don't know what I was expecting from this, but the fall box like makes me like super excited for fall, and these things just didn't do much for me. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I talk about a lot of other things here on my channel, so be sure to subscribe, stay up to date, and we'll see if I get FabFitFun again. I'm gonna go through and see what I want to do about that. I might cancel my subscription. Let me know if you got the fall box or what you guys got. If you're interested in any specific reviews that like sooner than normal or whatever, let me know down below. But yeah, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm